Meaning of inanely.
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 Inanely. The word inanely is an adverb that means being foolish or without sense. When someone acts inanely, they are behaving in a way that lacks intelligence or common sense. This can lead to the person appearing silly or absurd to others. Inanely can also refer to things that are pointless or ridiculous. The result of acting inanely can be negative, as it may result in embarrassment, ridicule, or even harm to oneself or others. As such, it is generally advisable to approach situations with thoughtfulness and consideration, rather than behaving inanely.